Now we are comparing between two mobile iPhone 16e, iPhone 16. Thickness 7.8 mm, same. Weight 167 gram and 170 gram, same. Glass bit and aluminum frame, same. Resistance IP68, same. Display size, both models are almost same size. Display type, OLED, same. Resolution, Full HD+, same. Refresh rate, 60 Hz, same. Touch sampling rate, 240 Hz, same. Brightness, 2000 nits, better. Protection, ceramic glass, same. Both models are HDR10 support. Both models are iOS 18. Apple A18 chip, same. Both models are 3nm processor. And both models are hexagon processor. GPU almost same. Both models are almost same variants. Storage type NVMe same. 48 megapixel main camera. (48-megapixel main camera). Main camera video recording 4K resolution, same. 12 megapixel, same. Front camera video recording 4K resolution, same. 3500 mAh, better. Charging 20W and 30W, same. Both models are 5G network support. Bluetooth 5.3, same. Cable Type-C 2.0, same. Both models are stereo speaker. And both models are face unlock PS. iPhone 16e, better price. iPhone 16 winner.